The Virtual Fax server integrated with the Neotel Virtual Switchboard simplifies this data transmission system. Turn your computer, your mobile, or any other device into a fax machine. This module allows you to send and receive faxes in your email without installing any external software. Simply enter the email address of the recipient and in the body of the message, the number. In this way, the attachments that you select will reach the recipient in the form of fax. And it also works in an inverse way, being able to receive the faxes that you would send directly in your email account. This service allows you to dispense with your fax machine, thus saving on materials and electricity, while simplifying your communications and respecting the environment. Neotel. Control for your business.